If you land it first try, you get this board. Next try, if you land it, I'm giving you these ones.
Whoever gets it first gets the glasses.
All right, guys, we're super excited to be out here in the bright, beautiful sunshine at Fremont Skate Park for another episode of Worst Board at the Park. This is where we go around and we find the worst board and we make them do tricks in order to win this board right here so they get a brand new skateboard. This is a very special episode because it is sponsored by Zungle. You see these right here? See these? Yeah, that. These are the new Zungle V2 Viper Bone Conduction Audio Sunglasses. These are sunglasses that are just like headphones. You put them on, anything headphones can do, these can do. It's really rad because they are solid on your head. You can skate with them, whatever. You just go into your Bluetooth, turn your Bluetooth on, and you connect to the Zungle, and then you go to your music, you start playing, and you're ready to go. Let's go orangutan Rio. You know how we get down. We're gonna do a worst board at the park and we're gonna be giving away 5 pairs of these glasses. We're also gonna do a giveaway of 3 pairs in the comments below. So leave a comment and you'll automatically be entered to win. It doesn't matter what your comment is, just leave the comment below.
Bro, I'm in my own world right now. Ariana Grande, I love you so much.
The link to these glasses are in the description below, so go get yours now. And let's go skate the park and give away this board.
Shout out Sean from San Diego, my favorite band.
You can also use Siri to make a call. Gabe, call me.
Call Aaron Cairo.
Dude!
I got it.
There he is.
Wait. Oh my, hello?
Yo, what's good? You ready to film this video or what?
I hear him in my brain. I like it.
Let's swap it up, Gabe.
All right, I'm gonna take over. Let me just turn on my Ariana Grande real quick.
I can't see what's on your screen.
Can you put that in a video? What I'm listening to?
Probably not. What are you listening to, Nigel?
Homicide, Logic, Eminem, Fire.
That's all I got.
Honestly, dude, overall what I like about them is the quality of the lenses and the sound quality in your ear. It sounds like I have headphones in, dude. It's so insane. I like it.
Are you ready for this?
Let's go find the worst board. He says he's got T Swift on the track. What do you got? Let me see that board. Watch out, watch out, watch out, sorry. Yay! This might be a contender right here. Look at that, look at that tail, look at that nose. Do a trick, what do you got? If you do any trick, I will give you a brand new pair of sunglasses that play music.
All right.
Anything.
I'm trying to practice.
Yeah, you get that, shove it, let's go.
Look at those shoes.
Look at those shoes, so fresh.
This is gonna be hard.
Yeah,
Oh, you got that.
You got that. Just put your back foot on. Oh!
I have to get this.
Oh! Dude!
You got that.
Oh. First ever shove it at the skate park.
Oh! Put your foot on there. You got it.
Oh! There it was. Just put that back foot on there. You got it. Oh! Yes! That's for you, buddy. That's for you.
Oh, thank God. That's second time today. Anyone
Yeah,
is
what do you
doing
got?
tricks.
Any
We gotta
trick?
see
Where
your
you
board.
going?
We gotta see your board first.
Orbit. Sick, sick.
Dang.
We like orbit. What do you
Next.
got? Where are you going?
I'll try kickflip.
Oh yeah!
Oh!
This shirt is amazing.
Yeah, look at that.
Ollie the
Ollie the
cone.
cone. Check this board out, Aaron. It's pretty new.
Yeah, it's pretty new. These are hefty wheels, dude. That's
Dang.
sick. All right, Ollie the cone, you got it.
Go ham.
Oh, it's actually called Get Stupid by Mac Dre. Right? See, you know. Oh.
Yeah! Wow.
Hey, yeah, boy. You got it.
Wow.
Carlos, we didn't ask for this. You got it. Just go a little faster, all right? Yeah!
Dude, yes, you crushed it. You killed it. Boom, right there.
Thank you.
I'm also gonna give you some stickers.
Yay!
Zungle.
One more try, Nog!
Okay. This is a sick board. 510 Skate Shop. Nice. Do
shit.
any trick anywhere you want.
I'm gonna do a hard flip over the cone.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Woo! Wow. Yes.
Yeah!
Yeah. Down it.
Nah, rebate. Yeah, damn. Oh! That was good, you killed it!
Last try too.
Yeah, you need some sunglasses. That deserves some sunglasses. Boom! Let's go!
Thanks, bro.
Yeah.
These are sick, dude. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, we've got the quasi board. Look at that grip
That
tape,
grip
though.
tape,
That
though.
is so sick. What's your name?
Oscar,
What do you got for us today, Oscar?
frontside boneless.
Let's go.
Oh yeah. You got it. Bend those knees. Yeah.
Ooh, you killed it.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Good
good
job.
job. Man, now I think this might be the very valid worst board
Oh my
at the park.
goodness gracious.
Look at that tail. Oof. How long have you had this for? August?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. You've been skating it up, huh?
Wow.
Okay, what trick you got for us?
Probably a pop shove boot.
Let's go! Wait, before you try it. If you land it first try, very first try, you get this board. Oh! That was sick! Okay, here you go. Take it.
Thank you.
Yeah. We still got 2 pairs of glasses. We haven't even started on the 5 stair yet. Let's go ham. There you go. Keep skating.
You too.
That's a good deed. I feel good after that. I talked to him earlier. He was just so bummed about his board. He just sat down for the majority of the day. So that was like very uplifting, dude. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Hook it up. Give back. 5 stair? What tricks you guys got? Section 5? Dude.
What?
In the world? Nobody saw that coming.
That was great.
Get all your friends. Let's go. Dang. Whoa. Yeah, boy. Whoa. Let me see this board. Hold on 1 sec. Look at this. Not bad. 2 chip, but the shape of it is incredible. It's a welcome. Really sick. Yeah, boy. Woo. First try. Whoa. Dude, crushing it. Woo.
That was good.
I gotta back him up.
Yeah, come on. Woo. Wow. Foot position on that kickflip is wild. Let's go. Oh. Let's go. Whoa. Get his back. Get his back. Oh. Get his back. Get his back. Oh. No, Betty. Yeah. I love how Uzi just flies out of nowhere like he's the Batman.
Yeah.
You too? How did everybody have a better Ollie Impossible than Aaron? Right here, dude. Right here. These ones are sick too. They got purple lenses. Dang. Woo! If you land this, I'll give you the glasses. My own personal glasses. Let's go right here. Oh. You bad papa.
Oh, Uzi!
Okay, right here. Backside 180. Backside 180 overalls. You got it. Right here. Personal glasses. Right here for you. Oh my gosh.
Ow.
Come on. Nothing's better than Uzi Walker doing the splits. They said it couldn't be done. They said he would never do it. Fetty Potter proved him wrong. That's why we call him Fetty the No Slide God Potter. I want him to land that backside 180 more than I want chocolate. I believe in you.
Ow.
Okay, next try. If you land it, I'm giving you these ones. Let's go. Oh, Oh my gosh. You need glasses for that kickflip. Right here, right here. Dang, guy. Dude. Oh! Oh! Winner, winner, chicken dinner! Maxwell! He literally landed the kickflip and just straight up left. They're glasses, but they connect Bluetooth and you can play music.
Oh my God, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for such a beautiful kickflip. And I like your skateboard and your shirt.
What's up with your knee, Uzi?
I smashed it into the ground, but now I'm back and I'm gonna land a bunch of stuff.
Hey, you have evolved. All right, let's go.
Notice that he fell, started screaming, and his scream got exponentially higher pitched. Oh no! You have this! Alright, right here, young gun, center health. Let's go. Oh my gosh!
Whoever gets it first gets the glasses.
The pressure is so high. Oh! Bro, put your feet like from there and then move it there and you land.
Oh yeah!
Dang, looking fresh. Yeah, now get some tricks on that and kill it. Oh! Let's go!
That was 3 shove, I think, but
that was good.
I've never landed a clean 3 shoves out.
Dude.
Woo! Thank you.
This is the charging cable and the manual on how to use it.
Thank you.
And extra lenses. I gave you 6 extra lenses just because you never know when you're flying Ollie Impossibles like that. A lot of stuff can happen out there.
Yeah.
And some stickers.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
you killed it. You crushed it.
Thank you.
You're awesome. And look at how rad this board is.
Yeah.
Shout out Red Curves.
Shout out Red Cubes. Don't forget, we're giving these away in the comments below. So all you have to do is comment. Any comment and you are entered to win. So leave your comments below. And if you want to buy a pair of these glasses, link will be in the description below. They're super rad. They play music, which is really awesome. Check out all the other videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to skateboard. 2019 is your year.